time ago.
Okay.
Let me think. There is a... Okay, I will sing a song, okay?
Okay.
Okay, why are you looking at
It's for a thermos. It's for a coffee container thing.
What you want, miss? I know you love me. Don't torture your hair. Hey, I want just love a kiss in the hair. I want to love. Love, love, love. I want you love, love, love. I want you love. Mom, what comes after that part?
I don't know, baby.
Okay, I am turn on the music.
My baby.
How about I sing a different song?
You can do whatever you want.
How about Sugar? Okay. I do not know that song. Okay. You call me Sugar. Okay, that song, I don't remember. Okay, I will sing. I know.
Uh-oh. You had a frog in your throat.
Okay, let me try again.
Okay.
I know a place where the grass is really greener. One little while must be something in the water. Slipping and juice. Laying underneath the palm trees. Plus, looks like kinda take a little sneak peek. 2006. Would you party for to the golden house? Would you party for us? And we find in love. California goes one and camel. You the kid is on top. Then shit gets so hot. What's your passes close? California goes on a camel. Cookie on top. Something gets so hard to put your popsicle. California, God, California, California, God.
Very cute. You know what? When you have your hair curled like that, you kind of look like Katy Perry.
Like me? But I look kind of like Melanie. Yes, you look very like Melanie.
Yeah.